Gonna let you go.
Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. It's Bella here. In today's look, I created this double cut crease for you guys, but it is a pretty natural wearable double cut crease in my opinion. So if you want to see how I achieved this look, then please keep on watching. So the first thing that I did was I grabbed some Makeup Forever Ultra HD Concealer, and I just used that to prime my eyelids, and I'm using the BH Cosmetics No. 9 brush to apply that. And then I went in with a damp beauty sponge to blend that all out, and I used my Maybelline Fit Me Loose Powder, and I set that in place. And the first eyeshadow that I'm going to be going in with is the Anastasia Single Shadow in the shade Vanilla. And I used my Zoeva 234 Luxe Smoky Shader brush to apply that to my brow bone. The next shade that I went in with is the shade Custard, which is also another single shadow from Anastasia Beverly Hills. And I'm just using my Morphe M412 brush, and I'm just going to be blending that back and forth as my transition shade. Next, I'm taking the shade Burnt Orange, and I'm grabbing my Morphe R44 brush, and I'm just going in back and forth motions in the crease, starting to create that line. And then going back into the shade Custard, and then I'm grabbing my Morphe M322 brush. I'm just going in back and forth motions over that line just to really diffuse it. And then next I'm going in with the Anastasia shadow in the shade Fudge. And to apply that shade, I'm using my Anastasia 7B brush, and this is actually a brow brush, but I love it because I'm able to have control with my dark colors in the crease. And then I went back in with the shade Custard and the shade Burnt Orange, and I'm just going in back and forth motions really to get those colors to blend together so we have no harsh lines. Next, I'm going to be going back into that Makeup Forever Ultra HD Concealer, and I'm just going to be cleaning up the lid space. And I know we do this in every single tutorial, but in my opinion, it's what makes my looks look super sharp and super clean, and it makes any color that I apply to my eyelid pop way more than if I didn't apply the concealer. And then now I'm going in with the shade Blank from Anastasia, and I'm just going to be packing that all over the concealer. And as you can see, it's super white, and it wouldn't appear as bright if we didn't apply that concealer before. And now I'm going in with the shade called Relgar, and I'm just going to be applying that with the same Anastasia brush, and I'm just going to be creating a line just so that we know where not to pass with the glitter. And it looks really weird, but once we apply the lid shade, you won't be able to see that line at all. And then I'm using the NYX glitter primer, and I'm using my Makeup Forever Stardust glitter, and I'm just going to be packing that all over the lid. And when you pack it over the line, you just want to go in light back and forth motions, and it's really going to diffuse the line and cover it with the glitter. And also, by being really light-handed and just gently patting that glitter in place, you're not going to get very much fallout. So for mascara, I'm using the Smashbox Superfan Mascara. And for lashes, I'm using my lash brand, Sofie Bella, and the link's always going to be in the description for those of you that want to support our brand. And this is the style Maui, which is a style that we rarely wear, but it's so beautiful and it's more natural for those of you that like a more natural lash. And for mascara, I'm just going in with my L'Oreal Voluminous, and I'm just putting that on my lower lash line. And this is the finished look, guys. I really hope you enjoyed this tutorial. If you did, please don't forget to give this video a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel and turn on your post notifications if you don't want to miss a video. Thank you so much for watching, guys. I'll see you in the next one.